is CompTIA, and we're going to look at file management. So while working on a script for setting up new Linux workstations, you need to create the correct files in the correct location for each test against. In this simulation, you will use the Linux command touch cp cd ls and rm to manage files from the command line. You are currently in the mbrown home directory, so in this lab your task is to use the rm command to delete the file named credentials.txt and use the touch command to create a new file named new-credentials.txt, and we're going to use the cp command to copy the new credentials.txt file to /home/mbrown/inventory. Alright, so we'll go ahead and start up. We allow this to load. Alright, so this is loaded successfully, and this is all our tasks here on the left pane. Okay, so we'll go through them and see if there's anything we need to concentrate on in this lab. So we're going to be using the touch command, cp command, cd command, ls command, and the arrow m command, which is remove. And we'll go ahead into the terminal, and while inside the terminal you want to type in rm space credentials space so it's going to be credentials.txt. We'll go ahead and press enter. We'll go ahead and type in yes and press enter, and we go ahead and type in touch. I'm going to make use of the touch command now. Type in touch space new underscore credentials dot txt. We'll press enter for that, and then we'll go ahead and type in cp space new underscore credentials dot txt space /home/mbrown /inventory go ahead and press enter to that, and then we're going to type in ls, and you press enter. And when you use the ls command, go ahead and score lab and see how we do, and everything is correct. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any issues with any of your courses at all, especially tech courses, and you are not sure you will come out with an A because either you've been busy with work, health challenges, or family issues, and it has prevented you from doing so many of your assignments, don't worry. No matter how many weeks assignments you've missed, I'm going to fix that for you. Just hit me up through my WhatsApp number attached to this video, and I'm going to respond to you and make sure you finish with an A in that course. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video.